Serepente! Mayong adlaw sa inyong tanan diha karon naami sa NS Royal Hotel. Mag-inamaw mi, kauban ako si Jason Statham. Adto mi sa gawas mag-inamaw, mangita mi dito kay inamawan. Ready na ka, Brad?
Ready na, Brad. Pana, let's go.
All right, let's go.
Hello, schönen guten Tag. Hello. Hi. Sorry, German. My English is small English. Ist okay, ja? Okay, sehr gut. Haben Sie Kaffee zu verkaufen? This is the menu. Yes. Sehr gut. Okay, schön. Ich guck mal, ja. I will check this one.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Dankeschön.
Bestseller.
So.
Bestseller for coffee, sir?
Ja, genau.
Hazelnut Bianco, sir.
Was ist dein most expensive Kaffee?
That's it.
Most
Hazel.
expensive, ja?
Yes.
Und dein
180. The rest is 175.
und dein cheapest ist Americano.
Americano.
Ist der klein, small.
Espresso
small one?
and water. Yes, sir.
Ah,
Yes, sir.
okay, sehr gut. Möchten Sie? How about you want something?
I want Americano.
Americano. Okay.
Cold. Do you have cold Americano?
Yes, sir. But for dine-in is
No.
for take-out.
Yeah,
We
take
don't
out.
have menu for take-out, only grande.
How much?
120.
One, two.
Sorry, English is viel besser. Ist better.
One Americano.
Grande. Big one.
Cold.
Yes.
Iced Americano. How about you, my friend?
Yeah.
He wants to order.
I will try hazelnut.
Bianco.
Yeah. Kalt.
Ice. Cold.
Ice.
What size? Grande. I'm
The-
sorry, we don't have menu for
No medium.
takeout. Only for dine.
You tell manager medium. Have to order. Ach so, naja, kein Medium. Was sollen wir da machen? Ne?
That's my ate.
Hallo Ati,
Hello.
wie geht es Ihnen? Gut, ja? Sehr gut. Sehr schön. Ist sehr heiß. Hot
Yeah, it's hot
draußen.
outside.
I get burn. Red sunburn.
You
I
reddish
guess.
now.
Yes. Like a tomato.
Did you enjoy it here in the Philippines?
Yes. We want to go to what's Boracay, I think.
Boracay?
Boracay, yes.
Boracay.
Burak
Yes.
It's a nice place.
It's very nice.
Resort.
I like it.
beach.
So now we come here, Cebu, and we look das Platz touring.
Touring.
Yes. So we like.
Just enjoy.
Yes. Now we look aircon, because too high is draußen,
Outside.
too much. It's cold, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Let me try.
Better shake it.
Lamig ako na ni Brad. Medyo tamis gamay, pero okay kayo, madara din.
Wala smile.
Lami ni. Lami ni.
Magsubo tayo ng popcorn.
Upper Brad. Okay na sad.
Lami yung kape dili no. Americana gid ba? Americano. May English.
Testingan lang yun. Okay kayo.
Mamo atong lima kabog English ka.
Ilang po? Kuha naman sad. Kasapul naman sad.
Alam.
Naka-loading na ikaw. Okay na, gati na. Okay, guys.
Alright, naka-prank na mi diri. Nami diri sa pangalan diri.
Enfuso Coffee Outlet,
Infuso Coffee Outlet diri sa
Mangdo Avenue.
Mango Avenue.